Good, wonderful, beautiful morning, audience. Guess what we're doing today? Miss Oakley has to go in for her surgery on her back leg today. For those of you that haven't heard yet, we had a routine vet checkup, and they found 2 bumps on her rear leg, kind of up inside underneath her rear leg. So we did a needle biopsy, and they came back as abnormal cells. And because of where they are, the vet has said it is best if we go ahead and remove them, and of course because they were abnormal cells. So today, Oakley is having surgery. I know. And yes, we did go to the Novi Pet Expo this weekend. That video will be coming soon as well. Yeah. You ready, Oakley? Alright, come on, Fluffy. Let's go. Alright, we got Oakley already. She's getting some medicines. It's going right in here. And it's gonna help her be sleepy. She's kind of freaking out. It's alright. It's okay. So since Oakley is being put under, see her teeth here? We're gonna go ahead and have her teeth cleaned as well. We figure, why not do it all at once? So you can kind of see she definitely needs to have her teeth done. Oakley's gonna have a big patch of fur missing. So pretty much the lump that you can see kind of here's her whole leg. It's right here. And look, there's her scar from her other surgery right there. That was a big one too. Alright, Oakley's back in the surgery room. They're getting ready to remove her lump. We're home! Yay! We're gonna let Oakley get settled in a little bit, and then we'll tell you guys what's going on. She's quite drugged right now. Quite drugged. So we are back from the vet, and I do have really good news for you guys. So we got Shelby's results back today while we were at the vet with Oakley having her surgery done, and Shelby's 2 other little lumps that she had removed did come back as benign tumors. Yay! Shelby's like, why are you talking like that? So basically what that means is she only had the 1 tumor that was cancerous. We are now going to make an appointment to see an oncologist and see where we need to go from there, but it's a very good sign that the other 2 lumps were non-cancerous. They were both benign tumors. So now on to Miss Oakley. So Oakley had 2 tumors removed. We do not know exactly what they are yet. Again, it'll take a little while to come back. But those of you that have been around for a while, Oakley actually had a large tumor removed from the same leg 2 years ago. It was cancerous, but it was like a non-invasive cancer. Normally what that means is or what they told us it means was that it shouldn't spread, and basically if they got it all, it shouldn't come back. Well, 2 years ago when she had the surgery, the lump was so large they weren't able to get clear margins on all of it, so there was a chance it came back. That was 2 years ago. This lump was near it, but Dr. Ryan wasn't sure if it came back because we didn't remove all of the other one or why. He does think it's the same. We're hoping that it's going to be the same, at least, so that it might be cancer, but we're hoping it's that very localized cancer that doesn't like metastasize into her lungs or her bones or anything like that. So it'd be even better if it came back as non-cancerous, but he thinks that it's the same type of tumor as the other one she had removed. She actually had 2 lumps removed today, 1 little bitty tiny one, and then 1 really big one. If you guys don't want to see stitches, look away now. I'm going to show you her stitches. She's kind of laying funny, so you can't really see how big it actually is, but that's where she had the little tiny lump removed, and then her stitches actually go from there all the way down to like here, just above here. I'm not going to make her move though. She's doing really good. She has to have her stitches in for 14 days. So yeah, but we should have the results back soon. 5 to 7 days, they said. If you guys want to follow us at Instagram.com/GonetotheSnowDogs or Instagram.com/SnowDogsVlogs, hopefully as soon as we get those results in, I'll be able to update you there. And then, of course, we'll do an update video as well. So that is how things are going today. Yes, we spent the weekend at the Novi Pet Expo. I was going to put that video up today, but we got back kind of late, and then I literally spent the entire day at the vet with Oakley. So the Novi Pet Expo video will go up on Wednesday. There will be vlog versions of it up over at youtube.com/snowdogsvlogs if you want to go check those out. Thank you guys so much for all the well wishes for Shelby and Oakley during these exciting times. Yay for older dogs. But we did get some good news today, which made me happy. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully this will come back and it'll be not anything super bad. And we'll be able to just keep on going and take care of it, right? She's like, I'm just tired. Leave me alone. I'm going to sleep. Alright, you guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the Pawdience. We are inching ever so close to 500,000 Pawdience members. So close. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, Pawdience. Oakley's like, I'm gonna nap. We brought the big bed in here because she was laying on the floor over here. She doesn't necessarily want her kennel. She made it almost on the bed and then kind of just said, right here is good. Yeah, you get some sleep, honey. Your daddy and I are gonna sit in here and watch some TV so you can just sleep away.